New Balance continues its push into the lifestyle performance crossover market with the 1906 No-Sole line, originally gaining traction through Action Bronson's Rosewater collab and limited 2024 releases. Drawing inspiration from rugged Salomon sneakers, the silhouette replaces traditional overlays with synthetic reinforcements and features pull laces for a trail-ready edge. The upcoming highlight is the Fall or Winter 2025 Olive Edition, headlining a seasonal mini pack. This model pairs khaki tones with deep green accents on the heel, outsole, and end-lock branding, while black elements along the midsole and lining refine its outdoors-inspired aesthetic. Following the earlier orange-crimson reveal, this launch underscores New Balance's strategy of blending utility, durability, and fashion into versatile sneakers. Priced at $155, the 1906 No-Sole Olive continues the brand's momentum by offering sneaker enthusiasts a functional yet stylish option that stands out as a seasonal staple.